Are you tired of being stuck in the dark when camping, unable to charge your phone or laptop? It's frustrating, to say the least. What if I told you there's a solution that can change the way you experience the great outdoors? Introducing the BLUETTI Portable Power, a portable power station designed specifically for campers and outdoor enthusiasts, solving the problem of limited power supply when you're away from home. This product is perfect for camping trips, outdoor adventures, or even backyard gatherings, providing reliable power whenever and wherever you need it. The BLUETTI Portable Power boasts an impressive spec breakdown, featuring a 204WH LFP battery, which is not only safe but also long-lasting, ensuring you have a steady power supply throughout your trip. It also comes with a 100W solar panel, allowing you to harness the power of sunlight to charge your devices, making it an eco-friendly option. The 2x300W AC outlets are perfect for charging your devices, from smartphones to laptops, and the 0 to 80% in 40 minutes charging time is super fast, so you can get back to enjoying the outdoors in no time. The 270W turbo charging feature is great for quick charging, and the 600W power lifting feature allows you to power heavy-duty devices, such as small fridges or medical equipment, giving you the freedom to bring the comforts of home with you on your adventures. Imagine using this product on a camping trip, where you can charge your phone and laptop while hiking, or use it to power a small fridge when you're at the beach, keeping your food and drinks fresh throughout the day. It's so convenient, and the possibilities are endless. You can use it to charge your devices, power your appliances, and even jumpstart your car if you need to. The BLUETTI Portable Power is also perfect for emergency situations, such as power outages or natural disasters, providing a reliable source of power when you need it most. In real-world use, the BLUETTI Portable Power has been a game-changer for many outdoor enthusiasts. For example, it's been used to power camping equipment, such as lights and heaters, and even to charge electric bikes and scooters. It's also been used in backyard gatherings, providing power for outdoor kitchens and entertainment systems. The BLUETTI Portable Power is also a great option for RV owners, who can use it to power their appliances and devices on the go. In my opinion, this product is a game-changer, offering a unique combination of portability, fast charging time, and high-capacity power. However, it's worth noting that it's a bit heavy and expensive, which may be a drawback for some users. Nevertheless, I would give it a rating of 8 out of 10, as it's perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors and needs a reliable power source. Whether you're a camper, hiker, or simply someone who loves to spend time in nature, the BLUETTI Portable Power is an excellent investment. If you're interested in purchasing the BLUETTI Portable Power, the link is in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll be reviewing another exciting product. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll consider the BLUETTI Portable Power for your next outdoor adventure. It's a great investment for any outdoor enthusiast. With its reliable power and eco-friendly design, it's sure to take your outdoor experiences to the next level.